I don't know about you, but a party without a cake isn't a party at all. And a day without a cake, well, let's just say it's not a sweet one. Anybody who knows us knows we like to do mashups. We like to take old school classics and give them some new school soul. So today, join me as we make a sweet potato sockittome cake. It's gonna be yum, y'all.
Let's cut that cake.
Let's make something yum, yum. Let's get this party started. Let's gather the ingredients, y'all. Flour, butter, sweet potatoes, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, sour cream, orange extract, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, ginger, nutmeg, orange zest. Oh, don't worry, I'll leave the link below. Let's start with making the filling. You're gonna take your toasted pecans, your brown sugar, and your cinnamon and mix them together. I think the best way to do it is to use those hands. Make sure you spray your bundt pan really well so you won't have a problem when it's time to flip your cake out. Now we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. I like using the whisk because it makes it come together really well. After it's mixed, set it aside. In your mixer, you're going to cream your butter and both of your sugars together. This is why it's important to make sure that your butter is room temperature before you begin. Mix together for about 4 minutes until the mixture is nice and fluffy. Make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl too. Then you're going to add your eggs one by one, making sure that you beat in between each one and scrape down the sides of the bowl. You want to make sure it's incorporated well. Then add in 2 teaspoons of the orange extract. I prefer this over the vanilla because the orange really brings out the flavor of the sweet potato. Then mix in your sweet potatoes. Make sure you've roasted fresh sweet potatoes and not that canned stuff. It really makes a difference. Then mix until it's just incorporated. And make sure you don't forget to constantly scrape the sides down. It's really important for a cohesive mixture. Then mix in about 1/3 of the dry mixture that you set aside earlier. Once that's incorporated, add in about half of your sour cream. Another 1/3 of your dry ingredients mixture. The second half of your sour cream. Then the final 1/3 of your dry mixture. And what did I tell you? Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl. And for the last add-in, we're going to fold in the orange zest. Now take half of your mixture and pour it inside of your bundt pan. Use your spatula to evenly disperse the batter. Then take your cinnamon pecan mixture and pour it all on top of the batter. And don't be shy, use all of it. And lastly, add the remainder of your batter and smooth with your spatula. Now let's bake 350 for an hour and 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in comes out clean. Ain't she pretty, y'all? Place it on a baker's rack for about 30 minutes to cool. Then invert it to remove it from the pan. Then replace it back on the wire rack to cool completely. Here you can see those ribbons of pecan and cinnamon. That's the part that really socks it to me. On to the glaze. We're going to mix the confectioner's sugar with about 5 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream and the rum extract. I originally used vanilla creamer, but I found that it was a little too sweet. This is the consistency we're looking for. Horrible. This is the fun part, y'all. Then finish with a little toasted pecans. You know me, it's not finished without a little garnish. Some sliced oranges go a long way. And you can't recommend it unless you try it. Look at those beautiful ribbons of cinnamon and pecan inside. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you'll try this recipe. I know we sure loved it. Thanks for watching.